How to redirect a domain permanently in cpanel. So let's see this step by step. First, log into your cpanel using the login details provided by your hosting company. Once you log in, you will land on the main cpanel dashboard. Now look for the Domains section. To redirect domain in cpanel, click Redirects under the Domain section. And in this page, you can add domain redirection. Under Type, you have two options. Select the permanent option to redirect the domain for a longer period of time. This is useful if you have domains with different suffixes like .net, .org, or .us, and you want them all to redirect to your .com domain. Next, in this field, select the domain added in cpanel that you wish to redirect to the other domain. Now, in the Redirects to field, enter the domain to which you want to redirect your domain. Below that, always select Redirect with or without www. This makes sure all visitors are properly redirected. Finally, click the Add button below. And that's it. You have successfully redirected the domain permanently in cpanel. Now, let's confirm in the browser whether the domain has been redirected from Cosmo to designer site. And done. You can see that the Cosmo domain has been redirected to the designer site domain successfully. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, leave a comment below, and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.